Good morning, students. Yesterday we have read present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Today we will start new tense, past tense. Here, first I will read all the Hindi examples for you: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. हमने मंच के ऊपर नृत्य किया. The work is already done. उसने कभी मेरी सहायता नहीं की. The work is in past time. धोबी कपड़े नहीं धो रहा है. Here see रहा. Continue but in past. लड़के शोर क्यों मचा रहे थे. That is also in past but it is in continue process at the past time. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. Here two works are going simultaneously in past time. One is done before the other one. उसने पहले शेर कभी नहीं देखा था. मुझे कल तक आपका पत्र नहीं मिला था. The last one is हम दिल्ली में 1990 से रह रहे थे. Time is also given as it is in perfect continuous tense. दो पड़ोसी आधे घंटे से झगड़ रहे थे. Time is also given here. Time is already given. So I will give you some English knowledge also for knowing the time. As in past indefinite there are three types of sentences: positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. So here one is negative and one is positive sentence. So for positive sentence the rule says that we use second form of verb, that is past form. Past form is used to show the past indefinite sentence of positive type. But if we make negative type, then we use first form of verb. So it is quite important to have in mind that we use past form as well as present form, both the forms of verb according to the type of tense. If it's negative or interrogative, we use first form. If it's only positive sentence, we use past form. So I will make हमने मंच के ऊपर नृत्य किया. We danced on podium. उसने कभी मेरी सहायता नहीं की. He did not help me. See, did is the helping verb, not shows the negative sentence, and help is the first form of the verb. धोबी कपड़े नहीं धो रहा था. Washerman was not washing clothes. See, as it is in continuous process, the work is in continuous process at past time. Was shows the past time and washing shows the status of work. That work is in continue process. So after seeing the work, we can easily find the status of work, and after seeing the helping verb, we can easily speak about the time of the work, of the action. लड़के शोर क्यों मचा रहे थे. Why? As it is interrogative sentence, it starts with why, were, children, or say boys shouting. See, in past perfect tense we have to use had. to show the past time, and third form of the verb, that is past participle form is used. So डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. See in this sentence there are two work going at the past time. One is डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. Two work is going, but we have to use past perfect tense in the work which is happened before the first work. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले रोगी मर चुका था. The patient had died. See, we use past perfect tense in this part. The patient had died before doctor came. See here, past indefinite tense. So by seeing this example we can better understand that two tenses are simultaneously used in this sentence. One is past perfect tense and other is past indefinite tense. So read it carefully. उसने पहले शेर कभी नहीं देखा था. He never had seen lion before. मुझे कल तक आपका पत्र नहीं मिला था. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, I had not received your letter till मुझे कल तक, yesterday. The last part is past perfect continuous tense. हम दिल्ली में 1990 से रह रहे थे. We had been living in Delhi since 1990. लास्ट सेंटेंस इज दो पड़ोसी आधे घंटे से झगड़ रहे थे. टू नेबर had been quarreling. For half hour. After seeing these examples, you can easily judge the tense. Thank you.